Quality of this image. Now, let's check the quality of the image. The image is carries 2 and the image is 1.98 megabytes. This is what we have. This is the image that carries to 1.98. This is the before. This is the before. So we're trying to increase it to a more larger quality. So we'll check the size of the image loaded in Photoshop here. All we need to do at first is just this is just for image quality increase. So let's check the size of the image size. So the size of the image, what we have is a normal 2K image. So you want to take it to like 4K thereabout. So if you're to do that and the resolution is so low, so the quality is impressive. Either way, but it doesn't matter because even if you have 2K or even anything lower than 1K image, you can increase the quality. So how do you go about it? At first, after you're done with everything, post-production settings, including the lighting and whatever you want, then first thing you do is let's create a duplicate of it. Control J, we have a duplicate. Fill that, all that, then we'll sharpen the image first. We'll sharpen max, we remove the max, we dull the max area out. This is before, after. So we have this okay. Then this is another tip again we can use to increase the details on the image. We are still working on increasing the detail on the image at first. So we are doing that on camera filter. So we can hold down, come to effect, texture, increase. When you start seeing all these red stamps, the effect you're doing on this is becoming too much, way too much. So some things needs to be reduced or adjusted. So let's check the clarity now. The clarity is okay. We reduce the texture a bit. And then we make texture. Something very let's use. And let's take out the red marks. For the red marks, we can actually just reduce the highlights. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Good. So I think this is good before, this is before, this is after. So okay. So that's just for increasing detail. The detail focus. That's the step for that video. It's still not impossible. That's the tip on it one. So what we need to do now for this is to change the resolution of the image, image size. Then before you do that, you must make sure you have preserve details 2.0 on. If you don't have this, these are you turn it on, come to file, edit preference, then go to general, and let's check the quality. Still working out. Not a bit of time. Okay, set here. Okay, under technology previews, you'll have just click enable preserve details 2.0 upscale. So after enabling, mine is enabled because I've been using it for long. So I've done on press OK. So after that, that's where we can now come in and adjust the image size. So adjusting the image size is not here, by changing this resolution, let's copy the initial size, which is not very important, but I like doing that. Change the image size to adjust the width and whatever. You're changing it from 72 to 300. So you see, make sure this is turned on before you even do the adjustments. Turn on sampling and change this to precursor details 3.0. This is what we have. So I want to make it a 4K image instead. So I'm making it 4,000. So building it from power one. So we have equality. So okay, then we'll let the image process itself. So processing is gonna take a little bit of time, so we have to give it time to process. So done. The image is bigger. And now one last trick. So we duplicate what we already have here. Control J. After duplicating, then we go to filter. Then we'll turn it to high pass. So I can adjust this, but I use from 4 to 5, 4.5, 3 to 4.5. So let me just use a 4 before this point. Then this will increase the detail so much, but it has to be done after you increase the image size. So then you change the layer of this to overlay. Change it to overlay. So see the difference. Let's turn the layer off. See the difference on off. The difference is very massive. So at some point you need to reduce. This is when it's off, this is when it's on. On, off. You can see the difference is so huge and massive. So it's just too much. We need to just find out a bit. So we'll be pushing it downwards. Let's check the difference. We'll go to off now. This is okay. So that's that. Now exporting the image. All we need to do is file, export as. Then the dialog pops up and export your image. Image quality high. Then we can have this. See the image size from 1.9 megabytes to 8.1 megabytes. If you feel the size is still bit too much, you can reduce the size here. One after. I don't know if you can see that. See the difference before and after. The before, the after. I think you can see much of the difference on this one. Before, after, before, after, before, after. I think there's much of a difference. So that's it for the tutorial, and we're good.